Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this scrunchie. So for this scrunchie, you're going to need yarn in two colors. I'm using pink and white, and I'm using 100% acrylic yarn over here. And a hook. I'm using a 3mm hook for this scrunchie. And we are also going to need a band like this. So to begin with, we are going to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, or if you don't know how to make these basic stitches, I have a separate series for the same. I'll link it in the description box below. So once we are done making our slip knot, we are going to take our tie and we are going to place a slip knot like this. And now we're going to insert a hook in the slip knot, and we are going to yarn over and pull through our slip knot. Now we're going to chain one. So we'll chain one, and now we're going to make a row of single crochets around that black tie. So we'll yarn over and pull up the loop. We'll be left with two loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both the loops. So as you can see, we have made a single crochet stitch around that black tie. We are again going to repeat this: yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is going to be the base of our scrunchie. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through both the loops. So while making these single crochet stitches, we have to see to it that our black tie is not showing through. So we have to make enough stitches so that the whole black tie is covered. Now we're going to continue doing this, and I'll see you once I'm done. So here we are at the end of our row, and we have made enough single crochets to cover our tie completely. And now we are going to make a slip knot on the top of that last stitch. So this is how it will look. Now we are going to make a row of double crochets. For that, we are going to chain 2. And we are going to yarn over the hook and insert a hook in the next stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull through. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're again going to yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is how we are going to make a row of double crochets on top of that row of single crochets. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is how we are going to continue making a double crochet in each stitch, and I'll see you at the end of this row. So here we are at the end of our row of double crochets, and now we're going to make a slip knot in the topmost stitch of that first stitch. So we'll insert a hook, a yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through the loop. So we've made a slip knot. So this is how it will look like. Now we're going to cut a yarn and we're going to sew in the ends. So for the next row we're going to attach a yarn of different color. So now I'll just sew in the ends and I'll see you once I'm done. Now moving on to the second row, we are going to take our second color and we are going to insert a hook in one of the double crochet stitches like this, and we are going to grab our second color yarn and we are going to pull through that stitch. Now we are going to chain 2. So we are going to yarn over the hook and pull through that loop. We are again going to yarn over the hook and pull through the loop. So this is chain 2, and now we are going to yarn over the hook and insert our hook in that same stitch over there. We'll yarn over and pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So the chain 2 will be considered as a double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets in one stitch. And now we are again going to yarn over, insert our hook in the next double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through, and we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we are again going to make 1 double crochet in that same stitch. We'll yarn over, insert a hook and yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again we are going to make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So our row 1 was a double crochet in each of the stitch, and our row 2 is going to be 2 double crochets in each stitch. So while we are doing 2 double crochets in each stitch, this is going to give us that ruffle effect. Now I'm just going to continue doing this and I'll see you at the end of this row. So here we are at the end of our second row, and now we are going to make a slip stitch in the topmost stitch of our first double crochet. So we're going to insert a hook, yarn over and yarn over, pull through that loop. Now we are just going to sew in our ends and our scrunchie is ready. Once done, it should somewhat look like this. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.